getting a late start to the vlog. The reason why we're at Wild Wings with Holden is, well, he's got a brand new turbo setup that we're not going to show just yet, but we do have a buddy from Atlanta, Brandon, who is the owner of Atlanta Diesel Performance, is coming down here, picking up the turbos from, picking up the turbo kit from Holden. He's gonna get it powder coated by his powder guy. Yep. So originally Holden was gonna go to Atlanta and drop it off, but Brandon was like, you know what, I'll just come to Augusta and pick it up. So yeah, that's why he's coming. He should be here in a couple of minutes. His truck is pretty special. It is a 2020 Duramax, and it's got some weight loss. There's the man of the hour. Oh yeah, you can already hear it.
So, camera was given to me. We got Holden. We got this guy with this big truck.
The BK Lounge.
Yep. See, I you know, I'm good at this YouTube stuff. I just hold the camera and shimmy a little bit. I'm gonna do some quick edits right here.
He's the guy. Unload this one.
What you got, man?
This is the filter, but I'm trying to see if that clamps in here. OCD, even the filter clamp.
Come on, man. Coated. Power through it. There you go.
Yeah, no, I don't like that. gotta get a black cover for it now. Yeah, there we go. They got more lube on this.
Cool. So now I can do GJW. Cool. We got the clamp for the new filter.
Absolutely.
Yep.
We're gonna put it in the box over here.
Ooh. Well, I can show the part, so you just edit it out, you know? Got to do the quick thing. Yeah, cool. And then, like, hold on, get a thumbnail. Got to get a thumbnail for him. Like, y'all just stand there looking down at a cool box.
Just throw it in there in case someone needs one. That can be yours. I got one in my house.
Too generous now.
That was like the V-band right there for the S480. Need that one done. There's a bunch of shit that's thrown in here. I guess you'll have to go through.
I'll get it laid all out, and we'll take a picture, and then I'll just go double check. That's the old drain. There you are.
Damn, son. For coolant.
That's a big snail.
Yep, that snail is fast.
Turbos probably just be fine in the bed. That way you don't mangle up your seats or
I got
anything.
some tape too if you want to tape the boxes up or whatever. I got some.
Be alright.
I can tape.
One turbo right here.
Throw the in there. You reckon I'll throw that back in my truck?
Right here too.
So do y'all powder coat stuff up there now, or do y'all?
We send it off. We have a guy that powder coats them for us.
All right, so this is Brandon. This is his truck. He is the owner of Atlanta Diesel Performance.
That's right.
In Atlanta.
Yes, sir.
And that's where you got the name, Kentucky, obviously. Bro. It's in Kentucky?
Yeah, somewhere far away.
Somewhere around.
So it's nowhere near Atlanta. So let's do a walk around of your personal 2020 Silverado Duramax.
We'll start, I guess. It's on the Zone 5-inch lift with some torsion keys, leveling keys. Hostiles 24x14 Vulcans. Then the Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses. They're 37 1450s. I mean, it's got great turning radius. Only had to do a little trimming up front just so we could clear it. But I mean,
that's not bad.
With 14 wides, yeah. On the 2020
37s?
and 37s.
That's what I've always had, 14 watts, and I've always run at least 37s or bigger on my personal. We had to make it work.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're only emissions intact unless you have a race truck.
Right.
Right. You don't drive it on the road, then I mean anything's possible. It's just, you know, finding the parts has definitely been fun lately, but other than that, I mean, we still try to make it happen.
Yeah, so you had check engine light going to Daytona.
I did. Yeah, I went down to Daytona, and on the drive down, probably like maybe 300-400 miles in, I had a warm-up catalyst efficiency code, and so that kind of just sealed the deal for me.
Yeah, we can't have that on a brand new truck.
I couldn't have that, you know, instantly getting a new truck and going down there, so we had to get rid of some stuff, you know, hit a pothole or two, and then everything's better now. I mean, it breathes a lot better.
No check engine lights.
Nothing.
Sounds better.
The miles are up. The miles per gallon as well.
Exactly.
That's where it's at.
So what'd you have before this truck?
So before this, I had a 07 6.0. It was a 6.0. Everybody loves 6.0s, right?
Well, so coming from a 6.0, coming from a Ford to a Chevy.
Yeah.
Do you like the new Chevy?
Man, yeah. I definitely like the Chevy a lot more. The 10-speed is definitely what's got me too. It's smooth. It's got power through every single gear. It's just.
Yeah, I've heard nothing but good things.
I've been hiding under a rock, I guess. I've never really been a Chevy fan until now.
No.
Yeah.
You won't own a Ford again.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty impressed with these. I like these a lot. It's working on everybody else's is like. Kind of have to get one of these.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It might have been riding in Holden's truck that sealed the deal.
I think that definitely did it. him and Ben's riding in this. Had to get one. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How many rock lights you got?
So 8 rock lights and then technically 3 strips from Infinite Off-Road. It's 2 per fender well and then just a strip on each side and 1 on the front. Got to show off all the powder.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing is freaking bright and it's big. I want to show you guys how big this truck is. Well,
since it's parked next to Holden's truck.
Everything's.
That's true, but so Holden's truck, it's still a 2500, but it's got keys turned all the way down up front, right?
Drop shackles and a leaf removed.
Drop shackle, leaf removed. I mean, Holden's truck is really low. Sits a lot lower than the factory 2500. Hey, do you know Steven's setup?
Probably just. I believe it's 37s and a leveling kit.
Okay. God, you make his truck look tiny too.
Bubba truck.
Yeah, so this is a leveling kit and 37s, and you guys know that these newer 25 or F250s, F350s are huge. And his truck makes this truck look tiny. Look at that.
Then he's running 37s and I got 37s.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they both got 37s. This has got a 5-inch zone lift. It's about as big as a 7 to 9. I wish I had my Denali out here. We could have like did a comparison.
The comparison for sure. We'll have to do another one for sure.
Hey, I gotta ship you 2 parts tomorrow.
Okay.
I totally forgot the video.
Yeah, but this thing is a beast.
Oh, the CCV. Yeah, that's all.
Got powder coated.
Okay. Sup, faggots? Sup?
They're telling me that that's what you are since you're driving a Ford right now.
Oh yeah, okay. This is what a real truck looks like.
Hook up. Well, I mean,
No, that's why I'm not hooking chains.
No, we'll go to the house right now.
Heck yeah.
Dirt.
I'm good.
What do y'all want?
I'm not here running my mouth. I just told him I like his truck. I can't tell him. I can't tell him anything.
That's why you gotta say it, because you like his
You
truck.
want a chain? You want a strap?
We'll put a.
I'd rather just drive home and be in one piece.
Hey, you'll beat me there, but you.
Think he's gonna send it? No. I don't know.
Someone did that to him. He's on that bitch on sideways at
He's got a girl with him. His girl's on. Never mind.
I told you he would do it. He's a savage.
Hell, I would do the same thing.
Alright, so here's his 2020. Keep in mind, my truck is on a 4.5-inch BDS with 33s. That's a 5-inch lift. 5-inch zone with 37s. Look at that size difference. Good God, that's crazy. And look at that compared to Holden's. But Holden's is a race truck. Did you fuel up?
Huh?
You fueled up?
Yeah, man.
You were empty?
No, half a tank.
Half a tank.
Yeah, but I filled it up with premium. I haven't done that in a
Oh,
while.
premium, fancy.
I know, right?
Well, I think your truck is supposed to run premium, aren't you?
No, you're supposed
Heavy?
to. You're supposed
Oh,
to
no,
run
the-
89, but
Yeah.
that's like if you're pulling stuff. I don't really pull anything.
I thought you haul ass.
That's like the main event of today's video because Holden's getting
New turbo setup that's gonna be pretty wild. It's gonna be pretty gnarly. So stay tuned for that. It's getting powder coated in Atlanta. I'm not sure exactly which shop, but BK from 80P drove all the way down. It's about 2.5 hours in his 2020. And I mean, this thing is sick. It's tuned, deleted, straight piped. I mean, this is the first 2020 straight pipe that I've 0 emissions. That's amazing. But yeah, this thing is the first 2020 Duramax that I've seen fully tuned and deleted, and gotta say it sounds amazing.
he said this thing is quick too.
I mean, this thing is stout. I'm so glad I was able to see it. I saw this truck in Daytona, but back then he still had his stock exhaust and everything, all the emission stuff was on there. But now, I mean, this thing sounds good and it's pretty freaking quick too.
Parts is at least $5 grand.
Okay.
No matter what, bare bones.
Because you got to like new PCMs and all that stuff. Okay.
Are you gonna tune and delete yours?
I mean, it's already deleted, but not tuned.
We'll put a ghost cam tune in it, yeah.
No joke. I want to replace the cams and all.
Oh, well.
I mean, so it's got the Hemi issue.
The MDS,
I want to take that off. I've been riding everywhere I go. I put it in tow haul mode.
so it doesn't cut out.
Right.
Yeah.
And big difference. But I want, instead of doing like the
Absolutely.
You're going to McDonald's. We just ate.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the bathroom probably before we hit 2 hours on the road. Come on,
2 hours.
What, you think we'll make it an hour?
You gotta test out all the tunes.
Yeah, on a real note, I really think you can make it in a
All right,
good
so what's
hour
that? It's what,
30.
9:28 right now?
hours.
How many miles is it to your house?
Yeah, and he lives right next to me.
Let's double check.
Damn, I did
Was it
good
like
on
two-
timing when I
I wanna
went down there.
say-
Then
Yeah.
y'all shop. I did good on time.
So that's
'cause-
two
How
and a half
long did it take
miles.
you?
I mean, it took me less than 2 hours.
That's what
Yeah.
he said.
Yeah,
It's like
169 miles, 2 hours and 22 minutes.
yeah. I got
so
there in
less than 2 hours. So
when I went.
it should
We
be
can
less
definitely
than
do
2
less than 2
hours.
hours.
If Holden got there in less than 2 hours, you could do it.
So what,
I didn't even know y'all was that far.
We're shooting for like at least an hour, hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
I mean,
I'm gonna be sleeping.
Hour and a
so
half,
when
an
you
hour and
get
a half, I'll be
arrested.
impressed. Hour 45, I'll just tell you mission accomplished.
All right, I'll let you guys know when we get.
See you, KW.
See ya.